Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Leilani Love. Do y'all remember Alizé in Wonderland? Well, this is me creating my character. I'm getting more into editorial shoots and stuff like that, and I have my beautiful model here, Shanisha Monet, and we are gonna make her into the model Alizé in Wonderland. So this is like my take, my story on, like Alice in Wonderland, but flipped it a little bit. Originally we were supposed to be doing this wig as a Cruella vibe, but as you can see, she did not do Cruella. Like she gave Alizé in Wonderland. Henceforth, the look that we're giving today. So I wanted to do something very editorial, something that you will not see on a daily basis, like something creative, because that's what I love. That's what I love to do. So I just did what was fun to me. One of the trends that I really love that I've been seeing is the blonde eyebrows. So you see me here giving her a little blonde brows. Okay. This was like actually my first time ever doing this technique. So, I'm learning the application process for blonde brows, but I think I did pretty good for my first time. I do see ways that I can improve, but again, this was all just fun. This wasn't for anything specific. So yeah, we just kind of rocked out. I actually did try to submit these videos for a magazine, and they was like, sis, we know you did this on the phone, and no, you cannot submit like that. So one of the things that I'm going through now is trying to find like a photographer to work with and like collaborate with, because I want to be able to submit editorial looks to different magazines so I can be, get more creative and do more editorial stuff. So if you guys know any photographers in New York that want to collab, do TFP test shoots, make sure you hit me up, let me know. Also, if you know any models that want to do editorial looks or fun creative vibes looks, tell them to hit me up. Like, you can email me, you can hit me up on Instagram. Like, I'm always down. I get to do hair and makeup on a regular basis, but I don't get to do the fun creative stuff. So yeah, this is what I want to do. So one thing about me and Shanisha, we have like a love-hate relationship with her eyelashes, because her eyelashes never work for me. She has like super tight curled eyelashes, so when I put them on, like they stand straight up because she has to like force them down. But she does it and it works, it usually works pretty good. But we always go through this. Every time I do her makeup, like we have to fight with her lashes, like seriously. But anyway, yes, get into this look. The vibrant colors that you'll see today that I use for the lashes, that is from the House of Glitters. They have a loose pigment that I use for any neon colors on the face. So you guys know I use them all the time. The shadow palette that I use, I believe was, I believe it was the Editorial palette by Kiate London. And the brows, I use a powder from Co Cosmetics. Just so you guys know. And Shanisha had her own Fenty foundation powder. So, we did that on her face, on her skin. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy this look. It was super fun to me. And I'm going to stop running my mouth now so y'all can just enjoy the show. And don't forget to hit the like button before you go. And thank you for watching. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, because you got to be down with the Love Squad. Like, you watching my videos, you got to be down with the Love Squad. But do y'all see it's a vibe coming though already? Like, you see it's a vibe already? Okay. I thought so. Okay. Yeah, let's just get into it. Let me be quiet. Y'all get into this. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, share this with anybody that's on my type of wave, okay?
If you make that face one more time.
And that is how you slay the runway, okay? Here's some still pictures of the wig unit, Alizé in Wonderland. Be sure to check out my Instagram, leilani's.love, for more pictures of this look and for other designs that I've also done. If you're interested in getting a custom unit designed by me, I have a form that you can fill out in the link in my bio at leilani's.love. Or you can also check out things that I've designed previously on my website, www.leilanislove.com. Again, if you're interested in doing some editorial photo shoots and looks, make sure you hit a girl up, okay? You can email me or DM me on Instagram. And can we just give some love to this look, though? Like, is this not editorial? Like, come on. Like, sis, slayed. All right? You know I love you guys so much. As always, thank you for watching. And until next time, peace and love.